Level 3, Module 1, Wheel of Life. Imagine being able to see your entire life laid out before you, each aspect clearly defined and ready for improvement. The Wheel of Life is a powerful tool that transforms vague feelings into tangible insights, making your journey toward balance and clarity unmistakably visible. By mapping out your satisfaction in key areas, it reveals where you thrive and where you may need to focus your energy. This simple yet profound approach sets the stage for meaningful change, guiding you toward a more harmonious and fulfilling life. By the end of this section, viewers will have developed the confidence to use the Wheel of Life tool effectively with their coaching clients. They will understand not only how the tool works, but also how to introduce it in a coaching session and guide clients through the process. This knowledge will empower them to facilitate meaningful conversations and help clients gain valuable insights into different areas of their lives. Ultimately, viewers will be equipped to integrate the Wheel of Life seamlessly into their coaching practice. The Wheel of Life is a practical self-assessment tool designed to help individuals evaluate their overall life balance. It typically features 8 to 10 key areas, such as health, career, relationships, finances, personal growth, and leisure, each represented as a segment of a wheel. Users rate their satisfaction in each area on a scale from 1 to 10, with 1 indicating low fulfillment and 10 representing high satisfaction. By plotting these scores, the wheel visually highlights imbalances, making it easy to see which aspects of life require more attention. This clear visualization enables individuals to identify their priorities and focus on areas that need improvement. To begin using the tool, start by selecting the key areas of your life that you want to assess. Once you've chosen these areas, take a moment to score each one honestly based on your current level of satisfaction or fulfillment. After scoring, review your results to identify which areas have the lowest scores, as these may be your highest priorities for improvement. Next, consider what a 1-point increase in each priority area would look like for you. This reflection can help you set realistic goals and envision practical steps toward greater satisfaction. In this role-play scenario, the client begins by scoring each segment of their wheel, reflecting on areas such as career, relationships, and personal growth. As the client completes their scores, the coach attentively observes any emerging patterns, such as consistently low scores in certain sections or notable discrepancies between areas. The coach then asks thoughtful, open-ended questions, such as, "What stands out to you about your scores?" Or, "Can you share more about what influenced your rating in this area?" These clean questions encourage the client to explore their own insights and motivations, fostering a deeper understanding of their current situation. Through this process, the coach supports the client in identifying priorities and potential areas for change. Now, let's try a practical exercise together. Take a blank sheet of paper and draw a large circle, dividing it into 8 equal sections, like slices of a pie. Label each section with an important area of your life, such as career, relationships, health, or personal growth. For each area, rate your current level of satisfaction from 1 to 10, marking your score along the line of each segment. As you connect the dots, notice the shape your wheel forms. Take a moment to pause and reflect on what you see, considering which areas feel balanced and which might need more attention. Consider what aspects of your experience truly surprised you. Reflect on which area of your routine or responsibilities feels most draining, and think about why that might be. Now, ask yourself, if you could make one small improvement, which change would have the greatest positive impact? These questions are designed to help you gain deeper insight and identify meaningful opportunities for growth. The Wheel of Life is a powerful tool that helps you visualize and assess different areas of your life, from career and relationships to health and personal growth. By rating your satisfaction in each segment, you gain a clear picture of where you feel balanced and where you might want to focus your energy. This process lays the foundation for deeper self-awareness and intentional change. In the next steps, we'll introduce frameworks like Grow and Heart, designed to guide you further on your journey toward clarity and balance. These tools will help you set meaningful goals and track your progress as you continue to grow.